The motivation for starting Duro was based on how much time I was spending manually managing all the engineering data associated with design and manufacturing of hardware products. And no matter how much effort I put into simplifying the process, mistakes always happen in production. And in hardware, there is no Control Z, there is no undo. I have too many anecdotes of watching a bad production go straight into the garbage can. And I realized there had to be a better way. And technology was evolving, data models were evolving, APIs were becoming more commoditized through all the innovations out of the software industry. And I wanted to bring all those best practices and technological advances into the hardware industry, making the lives easier and simpler for hardware engineers and production managers. So today, Duro started out as a PLM, Product Lifecycle Management. That's where we felt the first cornerstone is in proper data management, centralizing and revision controlling all the CAD files, bill materials, and supply chain data, making it easy to get data into the system and out, disseminating it to all the parties involved with designing, manufacturing your products. What we do differently is we double down on the data entry process. That's where really the hardest problems are, is if it's hard or inconsistent or error prone to get data into your ecosystem of tools, any data coming out to your production floor is going to be littered with mistakes. And so Duro's focus on how do we automate and simplify the data entry and data validation process? How do we bring in agile principles, fast iterative loop concepts, Git flow, agile methodologies into hardware data management? So the vision for Duro is pretty boundless. So the legacy model of having separate siloed products that individually manage the bill of materials and CAD files is no longer relevant. The concept of centralizing your data into a single source of truth, cloud hosted, opens up the potential for so many capabilities. Duro started with PLM because that was a logical place to start with centralization and revision control, but there was no limit there. We can very easily expand into supply chain management, inventory management, ERP, purchase management, CAD file management, all having just a single copy of the bill of materials where all these different tasks and capabilities access the same revision. There is no management of disparate, separate copies anymore.